Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you a useful trick on how to extract text from a scanned or image file without any software, just by using Google. You will also get the reference for the text and can translate it into any language. Simply upload your file to the system, which is completely free, and it will instantly convert the image to text. I hope you find this tip useful. I will be uploading several tutorials like this one on this channel, along with content on GIS, remote sensing, environmental modeling, and other relevant topics. I hope you find this playlist beneficial for your daily work. Now let's start today's tutorial. First, go to Google search box, and then you will find this option. Click here, and here you will find drag an image here or upload a file. If you choose drag an image, then just drag your image file and drop here. This is a process, and another process is just click here and upload your image file, just using upload a file. Just select and then click open, and you can see here your image file has been uploaded here. And after that, you can see here three options: search, text, and translate. In search option, you will find the image sources. Find image sources, just click here, or in the right side you can see the sources of the image. And also in the important section is the text. If you select text, then your image file has been converted into text. And select text, and then you can copy and then paste into Word file, or you can select in this way. Just select and then copy and then paste in the Word file. Just paste, and you can see your image file has been converted into text, that you can see here. You can also select all the text file that you have converted. Just select all the file and then copy and then paste here. You can see over here the image file has been converted into text using this simple method. And you can also translate it in any languages. Just select translate option, and then you will find here auto detect, and you will find here several language option. Translate to, you can select any translate language option that you want, and it will translate automatically. Then just select and then paste into Word file. Paste in Word file. This is a simple technique, I think. I hope you enjoyed this easy trick to convert any scanned or image file into text file, the file sources, and also you can easily translate it into any language. Thank you for watching.